we study lesson 4 Animal Kingdom, class 11th biology. So let us go through, first of all we go through the introduction of the lesson. In this world we observe the different animals with different structure and forms. Over a million species of animals have been described till now. Classification thus helps in assigning a systematic position to newly described species. We can say that classification helps us to classify the animals, to arrange the animals in the systematic way, so that we can understand all the characteristic features of all organism. Now, basis of classification. Today in this topic we take the basis of classification and only level of organization. Now, all animals are classified on the basis of certain common fundamental features. These are the, for example, levels of organization, body symmetry, nature of coelom or body cavity, body plan, pattern of development, segmentation of the body, and presence or absence of the notochord. So these are the some bases on which we classify the animals, and go through all these bases, because these bases are very helpful to know about the characteristic features of individual phylum also. So first of all we take the levels of organization. So in this video we study up to the levels of organization. Now, depending on the organization of cells, animals are grouped into two categories. As you know, cell is the structural and functional unit of the life or living beings. So on the basis of this level of organization or cellular pattern, the animals are grouped into two categories. First of all, parazones. Parazones which show the cellular level of organization. This is one mark question. What do you mean about the parazones? So parazones show the cellular level of organization only. And eumetazones. Eumetazones show tissue, organ or organ system level of organization. Now, four patterns of organization of cells are: first of all, cellular level of organization. Here only cells are arranged into loose cells aggregates, that is not organized into tissue. For example, in porifers, that is sponges, here some division of level occur in the cells, or we can say that division of level occur into cells. Different kind of cells perform different kind of functions according to the need, because here there is no tissue level of organization, only cellular organization is there. The example of cellular level of organization is the sponges or porifers. Now, second is the tissue level of organization. The cells performing the similar functions form tissues. For example, ctenophora and cnidaria. Cnidaria also known as coelenterata. So coelenterata or ctenophora show the tissue level of organization. Now, third is the organ level of organization. Now, here tissues are grouped together to form organs, and each organ is specialized to perform a particular function. For example, members of the platyhelminthes, that is flatworms. All flatworms show the organ level of organization. Now, D or fourth is the organ system level of organization. In organ system level of organization, organs becomes associated to form the functional system, and each system concerned with a specific physiological function. That is, members of the Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. We can say that a lot of phyla belong to organ system level of organization. Now, the organ system in different group of animals exhibit different patterns of the complexities. For example, digestive system in platyhelminthes is incomplete. This is a very important one because in platyhelminthes only a single opening that serve as both mouth and anus. That is, in the members of phylum Platyhelminthes, only a single aperture opening is there in the body, which show the dual function, that is both mouth and anus. So this kind of digestive system is known as incomplete digestive system. While in the case of Annelida and Arthropoda, the digestive system have the two openings or two apertures, that is mouth and anus separately, hence called as complete digestive system. So complete digestive system consisting of the two openings, that is mouth and anus, while in incomplete system of digestive system only single opening or single aperture is there, which functioning both as mouth and anus. So now similarly the circulation system is of two types, that is open circulatory system where the blood is pumped out of the heart into open spaces known as lacunae, and channels in the body, and all the tissues or organs are bathed in the blood. For example, in Arthropoda and Mollusca, that is in Arthropoda and Mollusca, open type of circulatory system is there because blood pumps openly throughout the body. Hence it is known as open circulatory system. For example, Arthropoda and Mollusca. Now, second is the closed circulatory system, where blood go through the blood vessels. On the basis of their function and structure, three kinds of blood vessels are there: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Now, for example, in Annelida and All Chordata, so we can say that on the basis of blood circulatory system, two types of organisms are there, or two types of animals are there, which show open and closed circulatory system. Now, this is all about the levels of organization. If you like this video, then you can like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a nice day.